After we've chosen our favorite photos, we can edit them to make the lighting better, make sure the colors are true to life, and fix any composition issues. There are lots of apps that you can use, but I'll show you how to do it in the Camera app and the free app Lightroom. First, with the lighting. Bright and clear is best without any harsh shadows or contrast. This of course depends on your desired look and inspiration photos, but here's how we edit our photos on the phone. You can also fix the composition in the photo or any slanted lines with these settings. Now to fixing the colors. Here are the edits that we make in the app Lightroom.